Imagine opening one AI video website after another, and every single one asks you to buy credits before you can even create your first video. Now imagine finding another platform where the exact same process is completely free. Not just one platform, but several hidden AI tools that most creators still haven't discovered. Today, I'll show you how to use them to generate high-quality AI videos without paying for expensive subscriptions or running out of credits. So, pay very close attention, and now without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. The first platform that I am going to show you has just launched several new AI text and video generator, even though they're completely free. I'm talking about Qwen AI. Let's open the official Qwen website. First, log in the Qwen AI. Now, I always recommend to select the latest model. And from here, if we click the plus icon, we can see the create video option. But there is a problem. After testing I got to know that this is not the best way to generate video here, because when it gives you a video, it has many errors and glitches that you never wanted in your video. But I have a trick to generate the best videos. We are going to take advantage of one feature. This platform also has one of the best text models available right now. First, make sure the latest model is selected, and this time, click here to remove the Create Video section. Now do one thing, turn on the thinking option from here so it will think longer and gives a better result. Then I'm going to paste this prompt. In it I asked it to analyze the best capabilities of the new Qwen video model and give me the best prompts for that specific model. And click enter. You will find all the prompts in my Discord. The link is in the description. Now it gives us a strong list of prompts. Once we have that, don't paste this prompt directly into the video section. Copy the video prompt you want and paste it into the text box again and ask it for an image prompt, because that image is what we later turn into a video. When we have that image prompt, let's copy it. Now open a new chat, click this plus icon, and from here choose Create Image. Then let's choose the aspect ratio from here. I choose the 16:9. Then let's paste the new image prompt we got from Qwen text model. And let's hit generate. And yes, here we have our image. You can even send this image back and ask for changes if you want, but it's okay for me. Download the image. Now let's convert this image into video. Go back to the plus icon and choose Create Video. Now click on this plus icon and from here upload your generated image. And now paste the final video prompt and hit enter. After some time here we have our video. The result is much better. This tool also has a powerful feature. For example, we can add a video prompt and also ask it to generate the video with background audio. When you listen to the result, it's actually good too. You can generate a lot of social media trends in this platform and many other videos. You only need the right prompt. If we look around the interface, there is no section asking us to pay for a subscription or buy credits. This tool is completely free. The only thing that can happen is that, if too many people are using it, you may hit a small limit and have to wait a few hours before continuing. But the important thing is that it's still completely free. Let's generate one more video. Using the same method, go back to the text section and copy one of the idea you like the most and then paste the prompt in the same text box and ask it to generate a base image prompt for it. First we will generate an image, then we will convert that image into video. Okay, here we have our image prompt. Now copy this enhanced prompt and start a new chat, then click on this plus icon and select the Create Image option. Make sure that you have selected the latest model. And now paste the image prompt here, set the desired aspect ratio and hit enter. Now as you can see, Qwen AI has generated an entire cinematic image for us. Now download it and save it. Let's convert this image into the video. Open a new chat and this time select the Create Video option here. Then again click on this plus icon to upload the image we generated earlier. And now paste that first video prompt that the text model gave us. And now click on Generate. Here we go. As you can see, the output is really impressive. Let's do that background audio thing. Upload the image and paste the video prompt and also ask it to generate a background noise. And now let's see the result. Here we go. That is so good. It delivers the cinematic result and in high quality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.